Love that burns like wildfire, untamed and free, a flame that flickers bright, with passion's ecstasy, with every beat. Our hearts race like a drum in a love so fires. It's like a dream come true. Begin our souls entwined like vines on a trellis, strong our love, a force that moves mountains all day long, with every kiss. Our love ignites like a spark in a passion so pure. It leaves its mark. Our love is a storm that rages like the sea, a force of nature, wild and carefree, with every breath. Our love grows more intense in a passion that's all consuming without defense.